Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's see where the action is under the hood. We go to Isabel Lee, Bloomberg's cross-asset reporter. She joins us here in our studio. Isabel, what are you looking at?
Applied Digital. It's edging lower by more than 20%. It's just really sinking to sessions lows, the lowest in September, if I'm eyeballing it correctly. So the company reported third quarter results that missed estimates, both on revenue and adjusted Ebitda. So Applied Digital is a company that builds and operates big, powerful data centers. They support things like artificial intelligence and cloud services. And Needham says that the results were softer than expected. They said there's a technical difficulty and it weighed on the cloud services segment. We have Roth Capital Partners cutting the price target to $8.50. We have Cantor also cutting to $7. For now, though, the stock is hovering around $4 and 0.25 cents. So still far from those price targets that they've cut.
Right. What else are you keeping an eye on in space?
Rocket Lab. So it's edging higher by around 7%. So the company secured defense contracts with both the US and the UK. Now it's up even higher by around 13%. So in the US, the Air Force has selected Rocket Lab for some $46 billion contract. And it really highlights the growing role of the company in providing advanced aerospace when it comes to like national defense, which is important. And in the UK, we have the Ministry of Defense selecting the firm for around $1.3 billion. So that's a double whammy and a double win for Rocket Lab today.
How about Netflix?
This is exciting because the company had big, ambitious goals. They said they're aiming to double their revenue and reach a $1 trillion market capitalization by 2030. They're now hovering at around $400 billion, so a little more than double. And these are ambitious goals, but it really just shows the confidence that they have and the heft as the largest global streamer. We have BMO Capital Markets saying these are ambitious goals, but they're achievable. And we have Jefferies saying that they're proving resilient against a tougher macro. Because remember, we're living in a really uncertain environment with all the tariffs. And if you come out with this really big optimistic goal, that's something.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.